Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about multiple choice questions from chapter 9 Optics. I have included some extra questions other than the your textbook. So just go through it. First question: as per recent understanding, light consists of. Actually, this light consists of energy particles known as photons. So, energy particles, photons, that particle will follow its own path and that path is looking like a wave. So, we can say this light consists of photons obeying the rules of waves. Next, second question: two plane mirrors are inclined at angle 40 degree between them. Number of images seen of a tiny object kept between them is. Now there are three different conditions for it. First, we have to find the number of images formed by using formula 360 upon theta. 360 degree upon theta. Here theta they have given 40 degree. So this n is equal to 360 upon 40, which is equal to 9. Now consider about the seen images. So there are three conditions. First condition is what? When this form images n is equal to even number, then seen images capital N is equal to n minus 1. Another condition is n equal to odd integer. That time it gives two conditions or two possibilities of seen images. When object is kept at on bisector and off the bisector. Then when it is on bisector n given by n minus 1, off bisector that time n is equal to n. That is seen images is equal to formed images. Then third condition, when n is not an integer, that time it is an integral part of the number which is equal to m. Now here we are getting that form images small n equal to 9. That means it is odd number. So we have two conditions. Seen images capital N is equal to n minus 1, that is 9 minus 1 equal to 8, and n equal to n, that is 9. So our answer is C, 8 or 9. Then next, third question: consider following phenomena or applications. First, P, mirage, Q, rainbow, R, optical fiber, and S, glittering of a diamond. Then total internal reflection is involved in. Now in your book you have studied about this total internal reflection. There you have applications of it. In that you have studied about optical fiber. So optical fiber will give total internal reflection. And another one is this glittering of diamond. It is a most popular example of total internal reflection. When diamond get formed, according to its different angle, it will give total internal reflection, due to which it glitters. Okay, so our answer for this total internal reflection is optical fiber and glittering of a diamond. So rainbow, it is example of dispersion, so that is not total internal reflection. So let's now think about fourth numerical. There are different fish, monkeys and water on the habitable planet of the star Proxima b. A fish swimming underwater feels that there is a monkey at 2.5 meter on the top of a tree. The same monkey feels that the fish is 1.6 meter below the water surface. Interestingly, height of the tree and depth at which the fish is swimming are exactly same. Refractive index of that water must be. Now here, if you have studied, we have one formula about the refractive index of water or denser medium with respect to air is equal to real depth upon apparent depth. Refractive index of suppose denser medium water with respect to air, we have this formula. Actually it is NW upon NA is equal to real depth upon apparent depth. In both cases, that is, in first one, suppose monkey which is looking at the fish is giving 1.6 meter below the water surface, fish is there. So it is apparent depth for the monkey. Apparent depth is equal to 1.6, and for according to fish, monkey is at 2.5 meter from water to rarer medium. So apparent depth according to fish, it is equal to 2.5. Here this NW upon NA, this NW, that is refractive index of water, we have to find out. Refractive index of air we know, that is 1. Real depth we have to consider, suppose it is equal to x, and apparent depth for monkey given is 1.6 meter. So this equation x upon 1.6 is equal to NW. Okay, where NA we can consider as a 1. Okay, then for fish, this refractive index of water with respect to, refractive index of air with respect to water is given by NA upon NW. NA upon NW, that is refractive index of air with respect to refractive index of water, is equal to, now real depth again we can consider same x upon apparent depth, it is 2.5. Okay, so from these two equations we can write it NW is equal to x upon 1.6 and 1 upon NW is equal to x upon 2.5. So from this two we can put the value of x in terms of refractive index. So we get this x is equal to 1.6 NW. So therefore in this equation 1 upon NW is equal to, by putting this x value here, 1.6 NW upon 2.5. So NW it will get square, and here 2.5 upon 1.6 is equal to NW square, that is refractive index square. So by putting its square root we get NW equal to, NW square is equal to 2.5 upon 1.6. So NW, that is refractive index of water, is equal to, we can take this as 25 upon 16. So it is 5 upon 4. So any doubt in this one, just comment on it. Then next answer for this is 5 upon 4.